Hello friends, here on this video how you can fix outgoing or incoming call problem on your Realme phone or any devices. You just follow these steps, okay? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to check whether your call, incoming call, outgoing call, it's not working, or you don't insert your SIM card like me. If you don't insert your SIM card, then outgoing and incoming call will not be possible. So you have to insert your SIM card. Please try to check to insert your SIM card. Okay, after you check your SIM card, or then you have to check your recharge. Okay, without recharge also you won't able to uh, outgoing call or incoming call. Okay, you won't receive or you won't make a call, you cannot. Okay, so that's why if you have problem, then you can solve this problem. If you don't have problem, then try to check this all. Okay, move on Google file, then here you have to move on apps. If you have problem, after checking all this, you are having problem, then just follow the steps. That was the step apps. Then from here friends, you have to scroll down. Here's the system launcher of Realme. Here's the Android system. Click on this three dot, then click on app info, click on storage usage, and click on clear all data. Okay, I have cleared already, that's why it's not shown. Then scroll on the down again. You have to find this Android Auto. Here's the Android Auto. Tap on three dot, click on app info, click on storage usage, click on clear data. This app data including files and setting will be deleted permanently from this device. Click on delete. Okay, even for this system also, you may think that what is under it, then you can check under this also. Under Android system, it's just app, um, about the apps, so you can just clear it. Okay, Android system. And after doing this, you can check your call management also, or phone services. Just tap on call management, then same thing, clear all data. Okay, and for this phone services also, app information, then storage and clear all data. This app including files and settings from this device will be permanently deleted. Okay, and friends, not only about that, after doing this, you just try to call someone or your friends or mom, dad. Okay, you just try to call or try from your friend's mobile phone also whether incoming or outgoing call there is problem or not. And you have to allow all the informations. Example, I just press on it, app info, then you have to allow the permissions also for the call logs, contacts, microphone, notification, phone, SMS. You have to allow for this all. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.